Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send messages in Slack's free version for 2025. First, open your Slack workspace and select a channel from the left sidebar, or click the plus icon next to direct messages to start a private chat. Once you're in the channel or direct message, click on the message box at the bottom of the screen. Type your message, and when you're ready, just hit enter to send it. To format your text, use simple symbols. Put text between asterisks to make it bold, or between underscores to make it italic. You can also add emojis by typing a colon followed by the emoji name, like colon thumbs up colon to share a file. Click the plus icon next to the message box and select upload a file to share documents or images. And that's it. You now know how to send messages, format text, and share files in Slack's free plan. If you found this helpful, let me know your favorite Slack tip in the comments. See you in the next one.